Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today's video is a very unique different video. So it's a kind of haul video, but also it's like comparing videos. So recently, every time I open my Facebook, I seen people posting about the Poundland aftershave. Also a lot of famous magazine and newspaper, The Guardian, the Stars, lots of newspaper were talking about Poundland aftershave dupes. Now, the power of marketing and the power of social media is because what Antonio did, Antonio went to Poundland and bought 4 of them for £1 each. This video is not sponsored, of course, so Poundland did not ask me to do this video. I was very interested and curious to see what the people are talking about those aftershaves. Now, I read in the comments that all the people said for £1 they smell exactly like the original designer perfume. Now, I'm fully aware those perfumes contain a high quantity of alcohol, so they won't last much longer on the skin compared to the designer type. Now, as you guys know, you have different aftershave. So you got your eau de toilette, your eau de parfum, your eau de cologne, and so on. So depends of the amount of alcohol that there is in the actual aftershave or perfume, because it's exactly the same component. The more alcohol there is, the less the actual fragrance, the smell will last on your skin, because that means that there is probably 99% of alcohol, 1% of fragrance. The design of eau de toilette, call it in the right name, the eau de toilette probably get 90% of alcohol and 10% of fragrance. The eau de parfum or the eau de cologne, they have a higher amount of fragrance, so they will last a less amount, well, not less, still like a high proportion of alcohol, on average about 70-75% or 80%, so they will last on your skin much longer, hence why the fragrance is much stronger, and you can feel it on your skin till like when you get home for a long day of work. Okay, so for dupes, now this is King in a Million. It should be the copy of 1 million. Iconic is the copy of Paco Rabanne. Oh god, it will come back to me. Invictus, thank you. Jape is the copy of Dupe, and Aqua Chill, surprise, should be the copy of Davidoff, which I have, Cool Water. So that should smell exactly the same. We will see. This is what I normally use, so that's my favorite aftershave ever, is Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. Now, this is by far my favorite ever aftershave. But I know how this for perfume actually aftershave smell, so I'm aware of what they smell, the designer type smell, so I will be able to tell you if the copy are just as nice. Okay, so let's start with King in a Million. So I've got some scissors with me. For £1, you can't really complain. So let's have a look. Oh wow. I sprayed a bit on my desk. Guys, it's very similar. Wow, it's very similar. Very similar. Yeah, it's very similar. I wish before I start doing this video, I wish I brought down the actual name of the fragrance to see what actually ingredients that have been used to formulate that fragrance. It's very similar. Yes, I like that. Yeah, it smells really nice. Right, number 2, Iconic. I think my brother used to use Paco Rabanne. Oh, the bottle is exactly the same. It's just different print. Again, it's very, very similar to the original designer fragrance. It's more, you can smell the alcohol note, because again, there's a lot of alcohol in here. But now that it's evaporating a bit, let me just wait for a few more seconds. Yes, it's really, really nice. Yep. 10 out of 10 of this as well. It is very, very similar. Very similar. So give it 10. And I give it 10 to King in a Million as well. I'm going to leave this for last because I got the campaign designer. So let's have a look at this. I used to have dupe when I was in London years and years and years and years ago. So I know exactly how this smells. A lot of unnecessary plastic, but never mind. Again, the bottle is exactly the same. It's just red. Oh wow, this is stupidly identical. It's basically dupe, guys. It's exactly the same. Again, it's a quite strong alcohol smell because of the amount of alcohol that is in there, but oh my god, it is smell. It's identical. Identical. Right, last is Aqua Chill. I can even open it. So ladies, sort out your husband's, brother's, boyfriend's, friend Christmas present with £1 aftershave. I love the fact that the bottles are exactly the same. Right, let's smell this. Right, I don't have the right word to say. It's basically the same fragrance. Guys, it's exactly the same. Those two smell exactly the same thing. This is the original one, the Davidoff one, is slightly more intense in terms of deeper the fragrance. This is more lighter. And again, once the alcohol evaporates, it will probably even more lighter. Guys, it smells exactly the same. I can't describe how similar those two fragrances are. And I wouldn't even be surprised if they come for the same manufacturer. So it's fantastic. It's exactly the same. It's scary. Right, I will definitely buy some more of these. Now we've got got 4 bottles to last. Wow, guys, personally it's worth it. £1. This was a present for my birthday, so I have, because this is in my gym bag. So I don't know how much this cost, but we're talking about the dupe is probably about 25 quid. The 1 million and the Paco Rabanne, I keep forgetting, Victor's, that we're probably talking about £40–50. You get it for £1. So even if it doesn't last all day and you have to spray 2 or 3 times during the day, guys, it's worth it. Those two are exactly the same thing. So would I recommend those aftershave? Yes, I do. Again, this is not sponsored, so Poundland did not ask me to do this, but guys, if I was you, go and get it because it smells exactly the same. Oh, it smells that. The room now smells really nice. I hope Jay don't think. I hope he doesn't think I have like men came over because it just smells really nice. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because that will support the video doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That will mean the world to me. I also have Instagram and Facebook. I will put the link in the description box if you guys want to go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day and I will see you very soon.